Okay, so now this is the human reproduction chapter. For this, first of all, जब भी रिप्रोडक्शन की बात होनी है तो हमने जो चैप्टर 1 जो कि डिलीट हो चुका है उसमें हमने एक कंसेप्ट पढ़ा था, दैट इज द रिप्रोडक्शन में जो चेंजेस होती हैं, दे आर द प्री फर्टिलाइजेशन चेंजेस, पोस्ट फर्टिलाइजेशन चेंजेस एंड द फर्टिलाइजेशन चेंजेस इन बिटवीन, है ना। 3 चेंजेस हमने पढ़ी थी फर्स्ट चैप्टर से, तो आपने भी इसको इसी तरीके से कंटिन्यू करना है. समटाइम्स इन योर क्वेश्चंस यू विल हैव द कंसेप्ट ऑफ द फुल चैप्टर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ फ्लो चार्ट. ठीक है, कई बार ऐसा भी हो सकता है जिसमें आपको पूरे चैप्टर की हेडिंग्स जो है वो फ्लो चार्ट की फॉर्म में दे दें. फॉर एग्जांपल दे से द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द मेल गैमीट्स एंड द फीमेल गैमीट्स, एंड देन दे से द फर्टिलाइजेशन, आफ्टरवर्ड दे से देयर यू कैन से ट्रांसफर ऑफ द मेल गैमीट्स टुवर्ड्स द फीमेल गैमीट. ऐसा मतलब इंटरमिंगल करके उन्होंने स्टेप्स दे दिया, और ये पूरे चैप्टर के जो स्टेप्स हैं ये बाद में आपको रीअरेंज फॉर्म में बताए जा रहे हैं, पूछे जा रहे हैं कि हाउ विल यू रीअरेंज देम इन द प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट. ठीक है, इन अ प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस. तो उसके लिए आपने ये फर्स्ट चैप्टर का ही कंसर्न लेना है जो हमने पढ़ा था, लेकिन इट इज नॉट देयर इन योर सिलेबस. दिस इज द प्री फर्टिलाइजेशन चेंजेस. द प्री फर्टिलाइजेशन चेंजेस दैट इन्वॉल्व्स नंबर 1 gametogenesis, that is the gamete formation, and number 2 the transfer of the gametes. सबसे पहले आपने इन चीजों को माइंड में रखते हुए आगे बढ़ना है जब भी आपको ऐसा कुछ फ्लो चार्ट आता है. ठीक है, इवन द स्मॉलर कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ दिस, अगर आपको बीच में जैसे हमने सेकंड चैप्टर में किया, दैट इज इन द फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स वाले चैप्टर में किया, तो वहां पे आपको एक कंसेप्ट था सिंपल सा कि देयर इज द टाइप ऑफ यू कैन से एंडोस्पर्म फॉर्मेशन, है ना. तो एंडोस्पर्म में भी वहां पे आप सिंपल एंडोस्पर्म फॉर्मेशन नहीं लिखते, वो लेट से लिख देते हैं हिलोबियल एंडोस्पर्म विल बी फाउंड, या एक लिख रहे हैं न्यूक्लियर एंडोस्पर्म विल बी फाउंड, या कुछ भी ऐसा, है ना. यहाँ आपको कंसेप्ट में जाइगोट वाले में दे दिया, या जाइगोट जब भी डेवलप हो रहा है तो उसमें दे देंगे फर्स्ट द हार्ट शेप एम्ब्रियो देन द ग्लोबुलर एम्ब्रियो, कुछ ऐसा. उन्होंने उस एक स्टेप के भी आगे 2 डबल स्टेप्स बना ली, तो उनमें भी आपको देखना पड़ेगा व्हाट इज द सीक्वेंस. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से सीक्वेंसेस जो है प्रॉपर रीड करके देने हैं बेटा. डोंट बी इन हरी. डे बिफोर yesterday I was discussing the assertion reasons, and you students, you were not reading the full question whether it is true statement or a false statement. It is not said, बीच में लिखा है नहीं लिखा है, नॉट वर्ड, ये वर्ड छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स हमारे क्वेश्चन को पलट देते हैं. तो ये जरूर आपने अच्छे से पढ़ने, बिकॉज हेयर वी आर नॉट कंसर्न्ड एट ऑल विद द बिग कंसेप्ट्स नो, है ना. हमें बिगर आंसर्स प्रोड्यूस करने की अभी जरूरत नहीं है. हमें किस चीज की जरूरत है, हमें माइन्यूट छोटी छोटी चीजें देखने की जरूरत है. तो वो छोटी छोटी चीजें तभी आप देखेंगे अगर आपने फ्रेमिंग हुई पड़ी होगी पूरे कंसेप्ट की. ठीक है, तो फ्रेम करना है आपने कि इसके बाद ये हुआ, उसमें ये ऐसे ऐसे हुआ, फिर इसके बाद ये वाला स्टेप है, इसमें ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा है, ये सब चीजें. ठीक है, that you have to frame, you have to create in a kind of a flow chart in your brains. Okay, and do give the time in reading of a question properly. Don't be in hurry to just mark the answer कि मैं ये लिख दूं ये बोल. जहां ये गलती करेंगे, जहां हरी करेंगे आप, जहां पे आप अपनी थोड़ी स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे just to give the answer and produce it and go ahead, you will definitely make a mistake. That is for sure. You are going to make a mistake in that. So उसके लिए बेटा please again recommended, if you are going through your book, whatsoever the book you are holding and you are reading, you will be reading it very in a slow speed, like you are catching up all the words in your brain. Secondly, when you are reading a question, again in a very slow speed, so that you are catching up every word of that. Okay, then only you can create a good answer. Okay, so this is pre-fertilization changes, gametogenesis and transfer of gamete. तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास आता है gametogenesis. Gametogenesis में हमारे पास 2 systems आपने इस चैप्टर में स्टार्टिंग में पढ़े, that is the male reproductive system and the second one was the female reproductive system. Male reproductive system that comprises of the accessory glands and the main organ. That organ is specially, it is called as the organ of male gametes production, and that is the testis. So this has testis along with the accessory glands, which are the accessory glands, which are the major, you can say system organizations, that is the systems parts. Okay, so that is the testis. Testis is a structure that which involves in the involved in the production of the male gametes. The testis is covered, or it is surrounded, or it is packed within a sac-like structure which is called as a scrotum. Why it is there in the scrotum? Why the testis is there in the scrotum? Yes, what is the reason for this? Yes, Samriddhi, 1 minute. हाँ जी बोलो।
मैम बिकॉज उसमें टेम्परेचर 2-3 डिग्री कम होता है हमारी उनकी नॉर्मल बॉडी के टेम्परेचर से, जिसमें स्पर्म्स प्रोड्यूस हो सकते हैं।
Yes, that is, it is providing the you can say proper temperature, the temperature which is 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade or 2 to 3 degrees centigrade, approximately less than the normal body temperature, and hence that is the requirement of the male gametes formation. At our body temperature, the male gametes can't be produced. That is why it is surrounded and it is stored. The testis organ is packed and stored. That is outside of the body. That is in the scrotum, in the scrotal sac. That is also called as a scrotal sac. Okay. Providing the temperature which is less than the normal body temperature, 2 to 3 degrees centigrade less body temperature, less than the body temperature, sorry. So that is the scrotum's role, right? Coming to the next is, within the testis there are certain compartments. What are those compartments called as? Testicular lobules, the compartments that which are formed within the testes, they are called as the lobules, the testicular lobules. These testicular lobules, nearly each of the testes that has nearly 200 approximate of these lobules in it. Each testicular lobule is lined up with a special tissue that is called as a, Hanji, what is the lining of the tissue called as? Raise up your hands. Lining up of this. Yes, Shivam. Others also, please raise your hands. Shivam, Hanji.
मैम ट्यूनिका एल्ब्यूजिना।
Hanji.
ट्यूनिका एल्ब्यूजिना।
Tunica albuginea is the outer covering, the layer of the cells that which is formed and which is further involved in the production of the gametes. What is that layer called as? Samriddhi, bolo.
Epithelium.
That is having the seminiferous tubules की linings होती हैं इसके ऊपर, that is called as germinal epithelium actually. And this germinal epithelium, क्योंकि ये lobules क्या हैं, बड़े-बड़े compartments हैं, उनके बीच में भी छोटी-छोटी सी seminiferous tubule like structures present है, और उनके ऊपर जो ये जैसे seminiferous lobule है एक छोटा सा, that is having the structure which is lined with the special cells which are called as the germinal epithelium. Now these layer of the cells also have the two types of the cells. What are these two type of the cells? इसके अंदर भी दो तरह के cells हैं, कौन-कौन से? Name the two type of the cells. Again, Shivam only. Why others are sitting? Yes. What are the two types of the cells that which forms up this layer? Others, please give the answer. चलो शिवम आप ही बोल लो फिर. हाँ जी शिवम.
मैम मेल जर्म सेल और सर्टोली सेल्स।
Yes, male germ cells. Two type of the cells which are present here are the male germ cells. What is the other name of male germ cells, Shivam? And Sertoli cells. Anji Shivam, tell me, what is the other name given to the male?
Spermatogonia.
Yes, they are called as spermatogonia. Spermatogonia, from where the male gametes will be produced. Very right, very good. Next are, these were the cases where the lobules के अंदर seminiferous tubules हैं और उन tubules की lining हुई हुई है spermatogonia के साथ और Sertoli cells के साथ. अब ये तो gamete cells हैं, यानी कि ये male germ cells का मतलब ही ये male germ cells मतलब इन्होंने आगे जाके male gametes बनाने. और ये Sertoli cells क्यों हैं? What is the function of the Sertoli cells? Yes. Yes, again Shivam's hand. बाकी क्या कर रहे हैं? Are you there? हाँ जी, are you people there in the class? Or just your names are blinking on the screen? Raise up your hands. Yashika, Vidisha, Tushar, Samriddhi, Mansi, Shivam. Shivam is already raising the hand. Yes, Samriddhi. Okay, tell me, what is the role of Sertoli cells?
मैम स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस और टेस्टिस फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करते हैं.
स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस में हेल्प करते हैं और
टेस्टिस फॉर्मेशन.
टेस्टिस फॉर्मेशन. Is that testis formation? What do you say? Anji Shivam, what is the role?
मैम नरिशमेंट प्रोवाइड करते हैं जो डेवलप स्पर्म हो जाते हैं.
Yes, they provide the nourishment to the male gametes, developing male gametes. उनको nourishment देते हैं and end में अटैच भी हो जाते हैं इसके ऊपर ताकि वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो सके, टेल वाला स्ट्रक्चर आ सके and hence they will be detached afterwards from the Sertoli cells, है ना, जब भी आप इसकी developmental stages पढ़ते हैं. तो इसमें दो तरह के cells हैं, one are the Sertoli cells, one are the male germ cells. Along with this, seminiferous tubules के बाहर there are also certain special cells, a cluster of the cells which is outside the seminiferous tubules. ये इस तरह से seminiferous tubules हैं और उनके बीच में outside the seminiferous tubules. What is that type of a cell called as, and what is its role? Again, the same two students. Others, they have not studied this chapter. Okay, Samriddhi, tell me.
हम Leydig cells.
Leydig cells. Other name for the Leydig cells is? Yashika, you were raising your hand. Anji, Yashika, tell me. Yashika, unmute yourself, bache. Okay. Shivam, what is the other name?
Interstitial cells.
Interstitial cells. And what is the role of it, Samriddhi? What is the role of this?
Androgens produce करना.
What is the role of
मैम वो नहीं याद.
वो नहीं
मैम
याद.
एंड्रोजन प्रोड्यूस करना mainly testosterone.
Yes, androgens produce करना, androgens में testosterone जो है that is included. So the you can say the secondary sexual characters which are provided by the testosterone, that is produced or secreted by the Leydig cells, the interstitial cells, right, which are outside the seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules के बाहर होते हैं. So they are the interstitial cells, or they are called as the Leydig cells. Where are they found? They are found in the interstitial spaces only. That is why they are called as interstitial cells. है ना? So they are found in the interstitial spaces, that is outside the seminiferous regions or the seminiferous tubules, that which contains the cells that are the interstitial or the Leydig cells, right? Then after this, there are also certain of the accessory glands. What are the accessory glands out here? 3 accessory glands you have studied. What are those? Anji, again, Shivam. Who else? Tushar, Vidisha. Are you there, Tushar? Mansi, unmute yourself, those who are sitting here and not giving me the answer. Anji, I am unmuting you people. Kindly unmute yourself and tell me. You are not there. Very bad. Anji, Tushar, Shivam ji, बताइए.
Seminal vesicle, prostate gland और Copper's gland.
Anji, seminal vesicle. Can you give the numbers of these? Seminal vesicle, Copper's gland, and prostate gland.
Seminal vesicle 1.
Seminal vesicle is 1.
Prostate gland 2.
Prostate 2. Copper's gland. Then there is third one, kaun sa tha? Seminal vesicle, Copper's gland, and prostate gland. Anji, according to Shivam, prostate gland are 2, seminal vesicle is 1, and Copper's gland are, or is what?
नहीं मैंने उल्टा बोल दिया prostate 1 है.
क्या है? हाँ, prostate 1
prostate तो एक ही है.
seminal
2 हैं.
seminal 2 हैं. Seminal vesicles 2, one on each side. Copper's gland 2 again, 1 on each side.
वो भी 2.
है ना? Prostate gland is 1, एक अकेला, ठीक है? That which is present as you can say in a united form, ठीक है? That is the prostate gland. Clear? So this is the accessory glands. What is the role of these 3 now? हाँ जी, तीनों का role क्या है? Copper's gland, prostate gland, and along with the seminal vesicle, they provide the fluidy material for the mobility of the male gametes, and that is secretion of semen. Okay, but along with this has an additional function. The seminiferous, sorry, this seminal vesicle, that has an additional function. What is that additional function? It is to provide the nourishment to the, again, to the male gametes, that which have been produced. The male gametes, they are nourished by the seminal vesicle because of the presence of the you can say chemicals like fructose, which is added from the secretion of the seminal vesicle. So the seminal vesicle along with the Copper's gland. What is the other name of the Copper's gland? Anyone? Again, Shivam only. Yes, Yashika again. Right, Yashika? Unmute yourself.
Bulbourethral gland.
Yes, it is bulbourethral gland. Okay. So in your books, they have, I guess, not written the Copper's gland, but it is bulbourethral gland. So both ways it is correct, but see the option, whatsoever will be there in your MCQs. apart from these accessory glands, there are also certain of the ducts which are associated with the glands or out of the glands, associated with the testes, associated with these glands. So what are these glands? Ducts. What are the accessory ducts? ये third part of बना रहे हैं इसका. These are the accessory ducts. क्या क्या हैं ducts बताइए? What are the names of the different ducts which are associated? Only one hand again. Mansi, you have the answer. Mansi ji. I guess you people are not sitting in front of your mics. That is why you are not unmuting. At least to say yes or no, ma'am, I don't have any idea. I don't know the answer. Come ahead and say yes, Samriddhi. You tell me.
हम vasa differentia और vas difference.
Yes, vas deferens and vasa differentia, vasa differentia और दो ये हो गई vasa differentia, vas deferens एक ही चीज है. What is the common name given to the vas deferens? That is also the sperm duct. Okay, and what else? Out apart from this, yes, Yashika.
Rete testes.
Rete testis, and one more. Yes, Shivam.
Ejaculatory duct.
हाँ? यशिका क्या है? बोलो दोबारा.
Ejaculatory duct.
Not the ejaculatory duct.
Epididymis.
Epididymis, yes, epididymis. So 5 of them have been enlisted in your books. 4. They have been enlisted. Vasa efferentia, vasa deferens. You can write them. Vasa efferentia, vasa deferentia or deferens. This is vasa deferens. Then there is epididymis. Then there is rete testis. Rete testis. So this kind of questions are going to be there in your MCQs form also. That is what are the two types of the cells जैसे हमने यहाँ पे बोला, or what is the name of the cell which is outside the seminiferous tubule found in the interstitial spaces with the blood vessels, ऐसा वैसा कुछ भी. So that is, they will be giving you some kind of the text lines only as in the form of the MCQs. So even here they will be writing like, let's say आपको जैसे ejaculatory duct बोल रहे हो, so which of these is not a duct of the accessory duct of the male reproductive system. तो आपको यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन हमें यहाँ पे अगर आपको एक आंसर में दे दिया, ऑप्शन दे दिया, that is of your this part only, what you said, ejaculatory duct. तो ये लिख दिया, तो that is again not enlisted in your book, so you will not get the marks for that. So whatsoever is there in your book, you have to go through that, right? So go through that particularly when you are having the particular system associated, right? So this was the male reproductive system in the humans, and the diagrams along with whatsoever the diagrams you people are having, you also have to look for that. You have to go for the labeling portion as well. Okay. Sometimes you are going to have the cross section of the this testes. Sometimes you will be having the overlook जो ऊपर से दिया हुआ है. आपको दो diagrams दिए हैं, I guess 3 हैं. एक आपको reproductive system में forward frontal view है, एक side view में है, और एक तीसरा आपको ये seminiferous tubules के through है. So ये तीनों diagrams आपने पढ़ने हैं along with the labeling, because whenever you are going to get the question on the labeling portion, which part is wrongly labeled, or let's say label the given parts A B C D है ना, आपको दिए हुए हैं, and the correct labeling आपको ढूंढनी है आपको options में से. So that will be a quite a time consuming concept also, but there will be a very nearby answers will also be there. ठीक है, तो you have to just find out for what kind of the answer can be here, and for that your diagrams will particularly be from NCERT only. They will not be like handmade, hand drawn नहीं होंगे. They will be taken from your NCERT, no other book. So you always go through your NCERT books. जो भी आपको diagram दिया हुआ है बेटा, वहाँ पे identification के लिए, labeling के लिए जरूर देखना है आपने, because you are not going to draw it for any of these MCQs. MCQs में drawing तो खैर नहीं आता है, but drawn diagrams labeling में या incorrect labeling में या किसी भी तरीके से आपसे question पूछा जा सकता है. Indirect question आ सकता है, जैसे B part का कौन सा function है. अब पहले B part पता होगा कौन सा है, तो तभी हम उसका function भी identify कर पाएंगे. तो ऐसा आपको यहाँ कई बार दे भी देते हैं, identify part B and also its function, तो वो matching में आ जाएगा. मतलब B part क्या है, उसका नाम भी सही होना चाहिए, उसका function भी सही होना चाहिए. तो ऐसे questions आपको जो है वो complicate करके थोड़े से डाले जाएंगे. And this was about the male reproductive system. Any question to anyone? Any doubt? हाँ जी. Next, we'll be discussing the questions. We are left with 4 minutes, and female reproductive system, we will do it tomorrow. Anji, anyone having any doubt, any question?